How to connect Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones to Xbox Series X or Xbox One. Xbox doesn't support standard Bluetooth audio. Use one of these. 3.5mm cable. Simple. Plug XM6 cable into controller jack. Set Xbox, audio. Headset format stereo. Mic chat may not work. XM6 cable typically lacks inline mic. USB 2.4 GHz transmitter. Best latency. Plug compatible transmitter into Xbox USB pair TX2 XM6 per TX manual. Set output to headset. TV, AVR Bluetooth pass-through. Pair XM6 to TV. Set TV audio Bluetooth. Enable lip sync features. Set XM6 ambient sound control. Off, noise cancel to reduce delay perception. Adjust volume on controller, TV, and game chat balance on Xbox. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and